Hey there YouTube family! Welcome back to Nutrizen Oasis, the go-to place for all things health and wellness. I'm AI model Lisa, and today we have an incredibly important topic to discuss, something that affects millions of people worldwide: cholesterol. Cholesterol, often dubbed the silent killer, plays a significant role in our overall health, especially when it comes to our heart. Now, I know the word cholesterol can be a bit intimidating, but fear not. In today's video, I'll be sharing practical and science-backed tips on how to manage and reduce your cholesterol levels. We'll be diving deep into a holistic approach that includes not just dietary changes, but lifestyle modifications too. Whether you're someone with high cholesterol looking for ways to bring it down or just want to stay proactive about your heart health, this video is for you. Before we jump in, remember that I'm not a doctor, but I've done extensive research to bring you reliable information. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your lifestyle or diet. So grab a notepad, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's empower ourselves with the knowledge we need to live heart-healthy lives. Are you ready? Let's get started on the journey to lower cholesterol and a healthier heart. Healthy diet. Include more fruits and vegetables in your diet. Choose whole grains over refined grains. Opt for lean protein sources such as poultry, fish, beans, and legumes. Use healthy fats like olive oil, avocados, and nuts instead of saturated and trans fats. Limit saturated and trans fats. Reduce intake of red meat, full-fat dairy products, and processed foods high in unhealthy fats. Check food labels for trans fats and aim to eliminate them from your diet. Increase omega-3 fatty acids. Include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout in your diet. Consider adding flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts for plant-based omega-3s. Soluble fiber. Foods high in soluble fiber can help lower cholesterol. Include oats, barley, beans, lentils, fruits, and vegetables in your diet. Regular exercise. Engage in aerobic exercises like walking, jogging, or cycling for at least 30 minutes most days of the week. Strength training can also contribute to overall heart health. Quit smoking. Smoking can lower good cholesterol (HDL) and increase the risk of heart disease. Limit alcohol intake. If you drink alcohol, do so in moderation. For example, up to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 drinks per day for men. Maintain a healthy weight. Losing excess weight can help lower cholesterol levels. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for overall health. Consider medications if prescribed. If lifestyle changes are not enough, medications may be prescribed by a healthcare professional.